Hey there guys, welcome to Minecraft Math, where you are finding perimeter with missing sides. Today we are looking at a pillow that needs some thread to close in the outside so that the stuffing doesn't fall out. We don't want that to happen. And you're given the height of this pillow, which is 5 inches. So it's going to take 5 inches to sew this side up. And you're given the length of the pillow, which is 8 inches. Okay, so it will take 8 inches of thread to sew the bottom up. But we definitely need to know what the measurements of the other sides are because we can't leave those sides open, can we? So to figure that out, let's look at what we already know. We know that this side is 5 inches, and we know that the side parallel to it or across from it, it's also the same measurement. So that would make that 5 inches as well. Okay, so if we know one side, we can always figure out the other side across from it. Since we know that the length here is 8 inches, what do you think the top measurement is going to be? 8 inches is correct. Now that you know the measurement of all of your sides, and we're just trying to figure out the perimeter, which is the measurement on the outside of this pillow, the amount of thread needed to close the outside of this pillow, you're going to add up your numbers. So I would start with numbers that are easy to add. I would try 5 plus 5. It's really just counting by fives twice, and you get 10. And the next thing you're going to look at are the other sides. 8 plus 8 gives you 16. When you go to add these numbers up, and you start in the ones place, you have 0 plus 6, which just gives you 6. And then if you look at the tens place next door, you have 1 plus 1, which gives you 2. The last thing you need to remember to do is to label your answer. Okay, so your final measurement of that thread, at the very least, is 26 inches to make sure that you have enough for that whole pillow. Good luck with today's assignment.